Okay, there's something called the vertical line test that helps us to look at graphs and determine pretty quickly if it's that of a function or not. A function says that every x can only be paired with one y value. If an x is paired with two different y values, they could be joined by, those ordered pairs could be joined by a vertical line. So the way this is stated is if it's possible for at least one vertical line to cross the graph more than once, it's not a function. So this test disqualifies graphs from being functions. So we've got some examples down here. This first one is a parabola that opens downward. No matter where I drop a vertical line, right, it's only going to intersect in one place. So is this a function? Yes, it is. Absolutely, it's a function. What about this one? This is what we would call a discrete function because it's got isolated little points here. No matter where I draw that vertical line, it's only going to hit one dot at a time, right? Up and down. So again, this would be a function. Over here, well, all I have to do is find one case. It's a little crooked, but pretend that's completely vertical. Here I cross and here I cross. So if I cross more than once, this is no longer a function. All right, so let me give you a second. Look at these remaining three and see what you would think. Function or not for these last three? All right, well, I'll tell you what I think. So this next one, I can draw a line through -4, that's fine, through -3, that's fine. But as soon as I draw this vertical line right here down the y-axis, I hit 2 points at once, so this is absolutely not a function. Now this next one's a little tricky because normally if I have a dot that's open, that means the function, that's just a placeholder. That's not really a function value. So this right here is actually okay. That's only hitting the function in one spot on this upper line. However, as soon as I go past that over here, now I've got a problem because I'm hitting it in two different spots. So this one is not a function either. And by now you probably recognize really quickly that this last one is also not a function. I think you'll find these some of the easier problems in the homework. So good luck.